Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up location-based reminders in Todoist. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Todoist. Go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all of Todoist's features, including the location-based reminder functionality that we'll be setting up today. Once you're logged in, wait a moment for the dashboard to fully load. You'll land on Todoist's main dashboard, where all your tasks and projects are organized. This is where we'll begin setting up your location-based reminder, so make sure everything has finished loading before moving to the next step. Now, direct your attention to the left side menu of your screen. You'll see several Todoist tabs and options listed there. Look for the Add Task option and click on it. This is the starting point for creating any new task in Todoist, whether it's a simple to-do or one with advanced features like location reminders. After clicking Add Task, a small task window will pop up on your screen. This window is where you'll configure all the details of your new task. Before entering any task information, we need to access the location settings first, so don't worry about typing anything just yet. In this task window, look for the three-dot icon. This icon typically represents additional options or settings that aren't immediately visible in the main task creation interface. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal more options. This is where Todoist hides its more advanced features, including the location-based reminder option we're looking for. Once you click the three-dot icon, a menu will expand, showing you several additional options. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Location. Click on this Location option to access the location settings. This feature allows you to attach a specific location to your task, so Todoist can remind you when you arrive at or leave that particular place. After clicking on the Location option, you'll be able to set a task tied to a specific location. Keep in mind that this feature may vary depending on your location, as map services availability differs in each region. Some areas may have more precise location tracking than others, so the functionality you see might be slightly different based on where you are. And that's it. You've now configured location-based reminders in Todoist, allowing you to get notified about tasks based on where you are, rather than just when it's time to do them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.